Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. I am also fine. At first I introduce myself. I am Poppy Mondol, head teacher, Kobirajbari Government Primary School, Nazirpur, Pirozpur. I have come to teach you the student of class 5 English subject. Dear students, at first welcome to all of you on behalf of Madaripur Online School. Dear students, the critical situation of COVID Corona, you are stay at home, you do not go out of home. Dear students, always stay at home, do not go out of home, stay safe, follow the rules of health. Dear students, previous day, what you have learned? Can you remember? Okay, dear students, you have learned sports. Today, we are going to start a new topics. Dear students, before that, would you like to sing a song? Yes, of course. Let us start. Hello, 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 my friends. Happy to meet you, happy to meet you. Hello, 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 my friends. Happy to meet you, happy to meet you today. Thank you, dear students. Let's move our lesson. Dear students, welcome to all of my students. What do you know about international sports competition? আন্তর্জাতিক ক্রীড়া প্রতিযোগিতা সম্পর্কে তোমরা কি জানো ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস? হ্যাভ ইউ হার্ড দ্য ওয়ার্ল্ড কাপ ক্রিকেট, ওয়ার্ল্ড কাপ ফুটবল? Has any of you watched any international sports competition on television? Dear students, has any of you watched any international sports competition on television? I think you have watched international cricket sports competition, World Cup competition. Dear students, have you heard of the Olympic Games? Olympic Games is the biggest sports competition, very biggest sports competition, Olympic Games. Now dear students, let's enjoy a video of Olympic Games. Enjoyed Olympic Games. Dear students, let's have a look. Look at the flag. This is Olympic logo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles makes logo. The colors in the flag are taken from the flags of the countries which participated in the first Olympic Games. ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, প্রথম অলিম্পিক গেম শুরু হয়েছিল 5টা যে দেশ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 দেশের পতাকার রং মিলিয়ে পাঁচটা সার্কেল মিলিয়ে এই অলিম্পিকের লোগো তৈরি করা হয়েছে। দ্য সার্কেলস মিন উই আর ইউনাইটেড। এই সার্কেলের মানে কি বলতে পারো? তারা সংঘবদ্ধ, মানে একত্রিত আছে, তারা একত্রিত আছে, দে আর ইউনাইটেড। Dear students, can you guess our today's topics? Our today's topics. Dear students, our today's topics is sports. S P O R T S. Sports. Our today's topics is sports. Unit 17. Unit 17. Unit 17. Activity Ace. Activity Ace. Activity Ace. Dear students, write down on your note khata the lesson title. Students, dear students, open your book, page at 68. Page at 68. Dear students, let's introduce some new words. Nation, participate, competition, hold, host, athlete, modern. Dear students, write down on your notebook, nation, participate, competition, hold, host, athlete, modern. And know their meanings. Nation, country. Participate, take part in, take part in, take part in. Dear students, you write down take part in, take part in, T-A-K-E, take P-A-R-T, part in, I-N in, take part in, অংশগ্রহণ করা। কম্পিটিশন, প্রতিযোগিতা, এ কন্টেস্ট ফর প্রাইজ, এ কন্টেস্ট ফর প্রাইজ। হোল্ড, অ্যারেঞ্জ, হোল্ড, অ্যারেঞ্জ। অ্যাথলেট, স্পোর্টসম্যান, স্পেশালি এ পার্টিসিপ্যান্ট ইন অ্যাথলেটিক্স, অ্যাথলেটিক্স। মডার্ন, আপ টু ডেট, modern, up to date. Host, a person or a country who invites other to join some occasion. Dear students, I read again. Nation, country, participate, take part in, competition, a contest for prize, hold, arrange, athlete, a sportsman, especially a participant in athletics. Modern, up to date. Host, a person or a country who invites other to join some occasion. Dear students, write down on your exercise book. Dear students, open your English book, page at 68. I read out the text. You put your finger under the lines. The Olympic Games is the biggest sports competition in the world. The Olympics are held every 4 years in a different host city. More than 200 nations send a total of 30,000 athletes to compete in more than 30 different sports. The first Olympic Games were held in Greece almost 3,000 years ago. The modern Olympic Games started in 1896 and there have been 31 Olympic competitions since then. Dear students, I repeat, Again, the Olympic Games is the biggest sports competition in the world. The Olympics are held every 4 years in a different host city. Carefully, every 4 years in a different host city. Dear students, the Olympics are held every 4 years in a different host city. More than 200 nations send a total of 30,000 athletes to compete in more than 30 different sports. The first Olympic Games were held in Greece almost 3,000 years ago. The modern Olympic Games started in 1896 and there have been 31 Olympic competitions since then. Dear students, now it's your turn. Read the text silently and carefully. After finished your reading, I will ask you some questions. So, be careful. Dear students, have you finished your lesson? I hope you finished your lesson. How often are the Olympics held? How often are the Olympics held? These answers in your text, in your textbook. These answers are in your textbook. So, the Olympics are held every 4 years. Dear students, at first you will see, then you will write down on your notebook. How many countries compete in the Olympics? How many countries compete in the Olympics? Okay, you are correct. More than 200 countries compete in the Olympic. How many athletes compete in the Olympics? About 13,000 athletes compete in the Olympics. These answers in your book. How many sports are there in the Olympics? There are more than 30 games in the Olympics. When was the first Olympics? The first Olympics was held almost 3,000 years ago. When did the modern Olympics games begin? When did the modern Olympics games begin? The modern Olympics games began in. Dear students, carefully look at this. This sentence is past tense. You have to write or answer the questions in past form. Begin, past form began. So, you have to write the modern Olympic Games begin, not begin, began. The modern Olympics game began in 1896. Okay, dear students. Have you finished your writing? I hope you have finished. Now it's your time to give homework. Dear students, write down on your exercise book. Write your favorite game within 5 sentences. Dear students, in your home you have to write a short composition within 5 sentences. Your favorite game. When school is open, you will see your teacher or you can inbox me. Dear students, thank you dear students. Thank you dear students for your active participations. Now I am going to end of my class. Dear students, stay safe, stay home, follow the rules of health. Goodbye students, goodbye, goodbye. It's time to go away. Goodbye, goodbye. I wish you a good day. Happy learning. Bye bye.